How to start affiliate marketing business with almost no money.
The last 2 years have brought many new challenges that nobody expected. Unfortunately for some, this meant they had to review their revenue streams and decide to break new ground. Creepy, of course, but this is also a great opportunity. But where to start? The answer is
affiliate marketing.
You know that affiliate marketing is a big industry and there are many moving parts to consider. Also, you know that starting a business can cost money, which you may be short of right now. Today we are here to help you. We will break down the costs involved in becoming an affiliate market and we will share some helpful tips to get started with affiliate marketing without any money. So please watch the complete video and don't skip the video by just judging the book by its cover. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming interesting videos. So without wasting further time, let's just get started.
What is affiliate marketing and how does it work?
Affiliate marketing is a form of performance-based marketing. Publishers, also known as affiliates, promote products and brands for an advertiser, also known as a retailer or brand. They receive a commission for every sale generated. The system works via links and traceable data. Each publisher receives a unique link or code that identifies the customers they referred to an advertiser's brand. By tracking these customers, an advertiser can learn who helped them make the final sales and reward their affiliates with commissions for their efforts. It's much easier to do all of this by joining an affiliate network like ShareASale. They have simplified the whole process by creating unique affiliate links, tracking all the data associated with affiliate marketing for publishers and advertisers. And most importantly, providing a platform for both to come together and form great partnerships. The goal of publishers is to get their target audience to click on their affiliate link and make a purchase. Would you like to know more? If you want to know how to start affiliate marketing as a blogger, you can watch the video right here.
Do you need money to start affiliate marketing?
In short, no. You can start affiliate marketing without any money, but it will take some extra time and hard work, but at the end, it is worth for it. Today I will share with you some tips to start affiliate marketing with no money.
Utilize social media to your advantage.
Almost all social media platforms today are free to sign up, even as a business. This is additional exposure for whatever industry you want to be in. Leveraging social media to build your always valuable audience is the most impactful platform approach. If you want, you can just use your own profile. Comment on discussions on places like Reddit, in Facebook groups, or in the YouTube comments section. You can find discussions relevant to your niche, add some interesting thoughts or comments, and place your affiliate link.
Warning:
if you're using social media for your affiliate marketing efforts, it's important to understand disclosure policies. Many countries and regions require users to disclose paid shortcuts to their audience and may penalize you if you fail to do so.
Writing reviews.
Positive reviews of a product or brand is a core concept of affiliate marketing. Therefore, you should use review platforms to your advantage. People will trust your opinion when it aligns with your review process. The product website may allow you to provide honest feedback while promoting your affiliate links or directing other viewers to your content. Your content could include more detailed ratings and explanations while embedding your affiliate content.
Join an affiliate network.
Because affiliate marketing is such a huge industry, attempting it alone at first can be extremely difficult, especially if you don't have a strong digital background. Joining a network like ShareASale gives you the freedom to search for the right associations and see what's available. You can join as many as you like. They are also experts in this field and support publishers and advertisers alike. A wealth of knowledge and a strong team to help you when you're feeling a little lost.
Building an audience.
Building an audience that trusts you is the #1 key to success in affiliate marketing. There are many ways to do this. Creating content on a niche topic you are passionate about will help you build a trusted and engaged audience. But first you need to determine which platforms you will use to create content. Think about how you feel comfortable creating content, whether it's long or short videos, photos, stylish images, written content, podcasts, or emails marketing, or a combination of all.
Develop engaging posts.
If your goal is to develop your own website or blog, you should understand the concept of a CTA, call to action. Creating great content that inspires people to take action is critical to success in affiliate marketing.
Final thoughts.
Getting started in affiliate marketing is certainly possible without any money, it just might take a little more time and effort. This means you have the opportunity to lay a solid foundation to grow as a publisher as your success grows. So that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next video.